The future of mobility is here, on our roads and in our parking lots. India has embraced the EV revolution, and this has driven us to a key milestone: the rollout of 50,000 EVs in the country.
Celebrating 50,000 EVs in India is a strong testament to how our portfolio is resonating with people across the country. EVs are offering a practical solution to problems of rising fuel price and worsening pollution. Customers are now ready to welcome EVs, and we are thrilled to witness the transition from early adopters to now EVs becoming a mainstream choice for Indian customers.
While Tata Motors is just about getting started on this journey, the drive so far has been electrifying, to say the least. We are ready to take on existing paradigms, all to build a better tomorrow.
As the pioneers of EVs in the country, the onus of ensuring successful adoption was on us. With well-calibrated product mix, strong consumer-facing initiatives, we have been able to address barriers to EV adoption. We created an entire EV ecosystem with Tata Group companies to provide simple, cost-effective solutions for our customers.
With the help of Tata Universe, consisting of a group of Tata companies, we created an entire EV ecosystem. With Tata Power, we developed cost-effective charging solutions by providing home charging kits and improved charging infrastructure in housing societies and along highways for uninterrupted, seamless drives. To further address range anxiety, we not only introduced features like multi-drive mode and multi-mode regen, but also educated our customers about the best way to drive their EVs for optimal range. Mainstreaming EV technology was our primary objective. India was ready to evolve to electric, and we wanted to make this dream a reality. Safety was another concern when it came to the adoption of EVs. We have taken efforts to ensure all of our EVs come with top-of-the-line safety features for complete peace of mind. Our battery packs are IP67 rated and are waterproof and dustproof. In essence, we left no stone unturned to ensure Tata EV drivers sit nestled no matter when or where they choose to drive. To democratize electric mobility in India, we had to ensure there is an EV option for everyone. Our deep understanding of our customers and different customer segments allowed us to handpick the most relevant features to build a car that's ideal for them. Our products and components are heavily localized, thus considerably bringing down the costs. With an SUV, sedan, and a hatchback in our portfolio, we are equipped to cater to the needs of diverse customer groups. Over 600 million kilometers of customer data, including their driving and charging patterns, has allowed us to constantly learn, innovate, and improve our products.
While new products are developed to cater to evolving customer needs, we offer software updates to our existing EV customers so that they can enjoy a renewed driving and ownership experience.
The Government of India has supported the EV revolution by introducing various initiatives and incentives. Their schemes played an integral role in accelerating the adoption of this technology across the country. The EV journey has just begun. We are 50,000 EVs strong, and we are only evolving. Sit back and buckle up as we pave the path for this technology to take over the roads of India and accelerate towards a sustainable and electric future.